Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 12th September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs, don't forget to subscribe to our Instagram channel Be EduCare Official, where regular exam updates, current affair, quiz highlights of the examination are updated on daily basis. So let us start with the current affairs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 2-day visit to Samarkand, Uzbekistan from 15th September 2022. PM Modi is scheduled to attend the 22nd meeting of the Council of the Head of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO. He will be visiting the country at the invitation of the President of Uzbekistan. During the SCO Summit 2022, the leaders are expected to review the organization's activities over the past few decades and discuss the state and the prospects of the multilateral cooperation in the future. Ministry of Steel invites applications for the National Metallurgist Award 2022. The application will be received for 5 categories through online mode by October 11, 2022. As per the ministry, the awards aims to recognize the outstanding contribution to the metallurgist working in the iron and the steel sector. It covers the field of manufacturing, research, design, waste management, and education, and their specific contribution to achieving the objectives of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Karnataka wins 75th Senior National Aquatic Championship held in Guwahati. Karnataka extended their stranglehold in swimming as they clinched the overall championship at the 75th Senior National Aquatic Championships, which concluded at Dr. Zakir Hussain Aquatic Complex in Guwahati on Saturday. Bharat Biotech was announced as the Changemaker of the Year award by the Hindu Business Line for playing a key role in saving millions of lives from COVID-19 and its indigenous intramuscular co-vaccine. Mithali Raj, who is a former Indian women's cricket captain, was announced as the iconic Changemaker of the Year. The awards were presented by the Finance Minister of our country, Nirmala Sitharaman, in New Delhi. The first question for the day is, SCO Summit 2022 will be held in which of the following countries? The second question for the day is, India's longest rubber dam has been inaugurated in which of the following state? The third question for the day is, who has won Asia Cup 2022 title? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous videos are as follows. What is the rank of India in the UNDP's Human Development Index 2021? The correct answer is 132. Next question was, Ni Akshay 2.0 portal, which was launched recently, is associated with which disease? The correct answer is tuberculosis. The third question was, which state launched Pudumi Pen scheme to provide monthly financial assistance for female students to complete undergraduate programs? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question was, the Indian government has prepared an action plan for the felicitation of special rupee accounts for trade settlements with which institution? The correct answer is RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India, which is the Central Bank of India. The last question was, ISRO partnered with which country's space agency in space technology during Bangalore Space Expo? The correct answer is Australia. Shout out to Yashvi Gangar, Muskan Tiwari, Harsh Thosar, and Tanvi Nayak for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Also, EduCARE is conducting weekly current affairs quiz contest where one winner will get an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week. One person will be felicitated only once. Don't forget to participate in this particular contest and don't miss an opportunity to win an Amazon voucher worth ₹100. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQs, please download the app. The link is provided in the description box below. For more information about classroom, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and test facilities, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.